Pay attention, all those who are looking for a potential development of 146 acres. Eric Hatcher with Century 21, coming to you from Cool, the city of Cool, up here in El Dorado County, where you've got the newer Holiday Market down the direction over there. You've got the Auburn Lake Trails there. You've got the City Water right there as well. So 146 acres, designed for approximately 29 single-family residences. So if you're looking for that opportunity, check that out. And there's a bonus. There's actually 35 acres that are touching this property on the other side next to the Holiday Market that has commercial developments. You could do slight commercial over there, a little bit there, and you can come on over here and build a bunch of dream homes. So if you're looking for a beautiful piece of property with 146 acres, reach out to Eric Hatch with Century 21, and we got the water there for you as well. And let's develop this property. Take care.